Well, hello. On another episode of We're Out of Time, so how fast can Shanna possibly do makeup? Welcome. Hi, how are you? I'm Shanna, mom of four boys, and just a normal human. Here to inspire you to spend a minute to play with makeup. It's fun. You can do it. Um, feel your best. That's my message. Just do what it takes to feel your best. Okay. And sometimes that's in 5 minutes. So here we go. Skincare is done already, luckily. I did do a little facial peel today before I hopped in the shower, and it was amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's by Mary Kay, and it's from the Repair line, and it's a glycolic acid facial peel. That sounds maybe intimidating, but it's really just this fabulous exfoliator that gets deep down under several layers of your skin and like dissolves that dead skin and leaves you with radiant, glowing skin. So I do feel a little extra glowy today, thanks to that. Also love how this Timewise 3D foundation just covers a little bit of redness that I've got going on as the seasons are changing. Um, the coverage is just so good. So if you happen to be using our CC cream and you're saying, well, I'd like a little better coverage, let's upgrade you to the Timewise 3D. So good. Let's do a little contour. I do have a few of these left, girls. I do. A little limited edition contour stick, a little there, a little here, a little here, a little here. This makes your lips look fuller if you're into that. Uh, yeah, let's line that draw. Okay. We'll do that while the foundation is still a little damp, and I'm using the liquid foundation brush. I'm just kind of stippling, blending, of course, in this upward motion, drawing everything up, right? Lifting, always lifting. Okay. Blend here. Creating that little shadow around the lips. Sure. It's just subtle. It's not scary. It's just subtle. A little subtle shadow under the jawline. Yeah. Okay. And while we're still just a little wet with the foundation, this is a new limited edition, crazy pigmented cheek gel cream blush. It's got hyaluronic acid. It gives you like a little plump. I love that it's this like jelly, creamy formula that just looks like skin instead of powder sitting on your face. It just looks so natural. I love it. There are 4 different colors, by the way, to choose from. So get them while they're still here. Okay. You're like, you know what? I did too much there. I did too much. Just grab that foundation brush and take it away. You didn't mess up. You're fine. Everything's good. What color is this? Pink nude. Very good. I love a nude. I love this pink nude waterproof lip liner. It lasts all day. Recommend putting it under everything. Like even if you're just wearing a lip gloss, put this underneath. Thank me later. These lip colors come in, I don't even know, several shades, 10, 12, 14, I don't know. A lot of different shades. They're all really fun. I think there's like 6 different nudes to match your lip color. I like the pink nude. And then this lip oil. Ooh, new limited edition lip oil. Put that on top. Look at that. Look how cute. I love big old fat there. Okay. What else? What else we doing? Let's grab a little uh, silky setting powder. And I'm just going to dust a little with the T-zone here. and my eyelids because I feel like they get a little shiny sometimes. So a little oil control there. Ta-da! It's like a filter for your face. So good. All right. Always, always, always eyebrows. Always eyebrows. This is our brow tint in the shade Blonde. We've got like 4 different shades. And they're little plant-based fibers to add to your brows to make them look fuller, makes you look more youthful. You can like shape them, add a little, just enhances what you already have. Ta-da. Super quick, super easy. I messed up a little bit, but super forgiving. Just wipe it away while it's still wet and you're good. Okay. Lash lift. Always necessary, especially for lashes kind of grow straight or kind of tilt down. Love lifting them up. Mary Kay lash curler opens up your eyes, makes them look bigger. See? I might be covered in glitter. I just wrapped a birthday present and put a like glittery ribbon on it. And so, all right, maybe I have 2 seconds for a little bit of eyeshadow. We'll see. Should have set a timer. Okay. This is Biscotti. It's fabulous. Beautiful matte chroma fusion eyeshadow. Love, love, love. But look how much brighter my eyeballs look. Okay. And a little bit of hazelnut. Just like above the crease here. Just to add a little depth, maybe. Also a matte. And that's it. I don't have time for anything else. That's good. What do we got? Lash Love mascara. Fabulous. I haven't met a Mary Kay mascara that I don't love. They're all so good. There's quite a few to choose from, depending on the look you're going for. From like cute, separated, lengthy lashes to like, oh, does she have fake lashes on? Or like lash intensity. Such a favorite. Okay. Lash Love mascara. It's got that straight silicone brush. And I haven't even dipped it back in. This is all just one coat. And they look fabulous, right? Start at the base, kind of shimmy your way up. You could go for 2. A little 2 coats. If you're feeling really fiery, you could do 3. That's sort of a 1.5 there. Okay, that's enough of that. Finishing spray, because that's always a must. Locks in your makeup, makes it last all day, keeps it from getting all over your phone and everything else. Our finishing spray is amazing. Okay, that's it. Ask me questions in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, all the fun things. See you next time. Bye.